With regards to Stratus, we have not had a single downtime event since it has been running in March 2016. My name is Jessica Spurlock, and I'm the Process Automation Engineer for Rubberlite. We are located in Huntington, West Virginia, and it's a privately owned company that's been there since 1986. My responsibilities include everything from where the power comes into the building at the switchgear to the operator interface, or the HMI, and everything in between. We custom engineer medium density free rise polyurethane foams to a bunch of different densities and thicknesses and colors. It's all customer driven. We have 1,600 customers all over the world, and our markets are in aviation, medical, apparel, footwear, furniture, flexographic printing. Basically, the mandate of this project was to develop innovative processes and to become a world-class organization. And that's where implementing the supervisory control system project and the Stratus server as a backbone really came in. We came to know Stratus through our Wonderware distributors, which is InSource Solutions. They brought them to our attention because they thought that it would be a great fit for us. And they're not ones to just sell us on the technology. They really want to make sure that it would benefit us the most. What we would have to do in order to get the same kind of security that's involved with the Stratus was we would have to buy multiple operations systems licenses, multiple application licenses, and it would have really snowballed in order to get the same kind of redundancy that we require from a fault-tolerant system. In addition, we probably don't have the real estate, speaking, in terms of server backbone and network bandwidth to be able to house such a server farm. And since we have been running the Wonderware supervisory control system platform and all of the virtualized servers that goes along with it, and Historian and real-time data, even with an increase of 15% of sales since implementation, we have actually reduced our scrap material production by 64% just in the manufacturing area, which is huge. The Stratus and the supervisory control system project implementation was the driving force behind those process changes that helped to reduce scrap. We were just really impressed with the scalability that Stratus was able to offer us when considering investments in licenses and configuration costs and labor costs and maintenance costs and all of the costs that you can think of over a lifetime of, let's say, 15 years. Going with Stratus was a no-brainer.